This is Steve DeMasi, and welcome to Uncharted DIY. The Oscillating Multitool rivals the Dremel in its vast array of functions. For me, one of the great features is its ability to make plunge cuts, which is cutting a hole without having to first drill a starter hole. Some of the other uses for this tool include cutting door jambs in place for adding a new hardwood or tile floor, detail sanding where it would be difficult to use a dedicated sander, plunge cutting, flush cutting, cutting pipes from PVC, ABS, conduit, and copper, scraping off flaking paint, removing old mortar and adhesive, cutting off trim and moldings, grinding out grout, cutting clean holes in drywall, cutting off a rusted, seized nut, and doing tile work, just to name a few. I've also used mine to remove baseboard and trim pieces without damaging them or the wall, and was able to reuse them. This tool features an offset blade and the option to angle the blade in almost any direction, or even flip it over. Its small oscillation arc makes it a very precise tool, especially in tight spaces. You can download a free PDF on my site that has useful tips for getting the most out of this multi-purpose tool. This versatile multi-tool has so many uses and attachments that I could spend all day covering them. The bottom line is, if you don't already have one, you need one. Spending more can be a better value, but you don't need to spend a lot to get a nice one, and it'll surprise you how often you'll find yourself reaching for it. This is Steve, and thanks for watching Uncharted DIY. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have questions, tips or tricks of your own, or other tools you didn't know you needed, please leave them here in the comments or on the article page at UnchartedDIY.com.